All right, guys, back again. We've got Doug M here. He's going to do a box of 2013 Bowman Chrome Jumbo Baseball. All right. Great price on the Blowout website. 3 autographs per box out of this stuff. All right, fly through the base for you. Jim Thome, Sapphire, Andrew Appland. Jorge Polanco, refractor of David Wright, Albert Almora. We got a cream of the crop Archie Bradley, Tyler Glasnow. Autograph Eric Johnson. The base version. Ryan Howard Sapphire. Let's pick it up here on the color. Got a refractor of Tim Lincecum, the Freak. More base. BJ Boyd. Michael Fulmer, cream of the crop, and a Tim Lincecum purple refractor. Numbered 43 of 199. Dylan Bundy rookie in there. We get a black refractor rookie, Marcell Ozuna. Nice hit right there. That is 2 of 15. Nice short printed. And right behind that, we've got a Arismendi Alcantara base autograph. Paco Rodriguez. Ernie Banks, Sapphire, and a blue refractor of Cameron Gallagher. That is 212 of 250. Addison Russell. Refractor of Derek Holland. Aaron Hicks, rookie. 2 packs left, so still should have one more autograph going. Albert Almora, cream of the crop. And our last pack. We got refractor auto of Adalberto Mejia. And that one is 262 of 500. Berrios and Fontana prospects in there as well. All right, Doug. Appreciate it as always, buddy. I'll get it right out to you.